In this video, we're going to take a look at the Hercules DG107B Universal Podcast Mic Arm and Camera Stand. I love Hercules products and they make super great mic stands and guitar stands and other instrument stands, but I feel like they missed the mark trying to make this product be so flexible. On a brighter note though, I do appreciate how easy Hercules designed this to be used. They give you several different articulation points and a clamp to attach it to your desk or work surface, and the clamp can also be used to attach it to another mic stand. Hercules also allows you to reverse the short and long arms if you please. From testing this mic arm out, it works best in a standard podcast style setup like this. When I tried to lengthen it out all the way, the microphone just started sagging. The clamp is easy to use and it grabs onto thin surfaces or tubular surfaces like a mic stand with ease, but I found that you can't use it on surfaces like tables and desktops that are thicker than 1 inch. Unfortunately, this greatly limits the number of desks and tables that you can use, which can be a huge pain when you're out running and gunning just shooting a podcast in whatever location you have available. You might not always have the luxury of a table that this fits. I tried to use this with my Sony a7 III as an overhead rig, and again, I just didn't feel like it was strong enough to hold the full weight of the camera up without starting to sag or get out of level. I also felt like the joints didn't offer me quite as much articulation as I desired to position my mic or my camera in different ways. So in conclusion, I think this is a great price on a boom arm like this, but Hercules missed the mark with how durable it is and how flexible it can be used with the size of the clamp and the strength of the joints. So I decided I'm going to be returning it. I do think this arm has a place when paired with a standard mic stand to use this as a mic for a ukulele or a mandolin or a banjo or another instrument like that, but I don't think it's durable enough to buy just to use for a podcast setup like this or as an overhead camera setup. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. If you want to try this Hercules mic stand out, I have links for it in the description below.